Online ordering with Klingspor is easy and convenient. Throughout this video series, we will demonstrate the different features and functions of Buy.Klingspor. We'll show you how to create an account and sign in as an existing customer. Also, we will go over the features that allow you to change and view your personal information. On the Start page, at the top right-hand corner, you will find the options New User and Sign In. Click New User to create your account. After clicking on New User, you will be taken to a new page where you will provide your account number and an invoice number that is not older than 1 year. On this page, you will also see our contact information in case you are having trouble creating an account. As a customer, you may only order from our online shop if you have already completed your first order and have a customer number and invoice number. If you are a first-time customer, please call our customer relations department. If you already have an account on Buy.Klingspor, simply click Sign In and provide your user ID and password. Once you have an account and are signed in, you will have access to view your personal information, make orders, and see past orders and invoices. In the same section that you clicked New User and Sign In, you will find 3 more options to the right: My List, My Account, and My Cart. My List is a page that allows you to make a wish list of items you want to order in the future. Creating lists makes it simple and easy to add your favorite items to your cart without having to look them up every time. Back at the top of the page, you will see an option called My Account. Here you will find personal information such as your billing address, email, your local sales representative, amounts due, open order amounts, and more. To change personal information, please call our customer relations department. Lastly, to the far right of the page, you will see My Cart. Here you will find the items you have selected for intended purchase. Once you are on this page, you can update, empty cart, continue shopping, or proceed to checkout. Stay tuned for more videos about Buy.Klingspor that cover more topics.